Not as an audience member, not as a concept, but as a person who has been carrying something quietly for a long time. If you've always felt like there's a weight inside you that no one else seems to notice, you're not imagining it. If you've gone through life feeling fine on the outside, but chronically tense, tired, or hollow on the inside, that isn't a personality flaw. And if you've ever wondered why you feel guilty for needing rest, affection, reassurance, or space, that guilt did not come from nowhere. You learned early that being low maintenance was safer, that asking for less kept you connected, that disappearing emotionally kept things stable. So you adapted. You became observant. You learned how to read rooms. You learned how to swallow reactions before they reached your throat. You learned how to be easy to deal with, even when nothing inside you was easy at all. And here's the part I want you to hear clearly, without distortion. There was nothing wrong with you for needing what you needed. You didn't fail to speak up because you were weak. You didn't suppress yourself because you lacked courage. You did it because, at the time, it worked. It kept you connected. It kept you safe enough. If you feel anxious without knowing why, it's because your nervous system never got the memo that you're allowed to relax. If you struggle to name what you want, it's because wanting used to come with consequences. If you feel oddly ashamed just for taking up space, it's because you were trained, subtly, repeatedly, to make yourself smaller. That quiet tension you live with, that sense that you're always on, even when nothing is happening. That exhaustion that sleep doesn't fix. That's not laziness. That's not sensitivity. That's a nervous system that learned too early that safety depended on self-erasure. You don't need to prove that your pain was bad enough. You don't need to justify why it still affects you. And you don't need to minimize it because others had it worse. What you went through mattered because it shaped how you learned to exist. And the fact that you're still here, still functional, still trying, still searching for clarity, doesn't mean it didn't hurt. It means you survived quietly. And now, for the first time, you're allowed to stop pretending it didn't cost you anything.